question was posed to me. Oh, well, I was asked this question. Can you buy a car or lease a car and you're unemployed, but you have excellent credit? Well, if you have excellent credit, you can buy or lease what you want. But you could be sitting on a 750 credit score, but you have limited credit. Maybe you've only been in the credit bureau for 2 years, and maybe your limits are only $1,000. Now, don't think that you're gonna be able to come in and get that $60,000 car. I'm coughing because people that have that great credit think they can just come in and get what they want. Yes, you can. But if you're sitting on a $1,000 limit on your credit card and you only been in the credit bureau for 2 years, hell no, you're not gonna be able to get what you want. But if you sitting fat and you unemployed and you pay your bills and you get paid cash, you pay your bills, but you just can't prove your income, you can lease a car. So what I'm telling you is, if you're self-employed, unemployed, the best thing what you can do is keep paying your bills, because the bank's not gonna ask questions as long as you pay your bills. It's about paying your bills. Quick nugget for the day. Clearing my throat. All right, if you're watching this video, I know this video was probably a little lame because I gave you a quick nugget. I was coughing for a reason. But anyway, if you're watching this video, go on over to my YouTube channel. You'll get a lot of information that you can share with yourself. You can share with your friends, with your family, or share with someone. Go on over to my YouTube page, Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit. Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit, and subscribe. See you on the next one.